Hi everyone and welcome back, and if you're new here, I am Prakriti, and in today's video I am going to review Minimalist's Weekend Exfoliating Facial. This is a powerful peeling trio of 25% AHA, 5% PHA and 2% BHA that provides multi-level exfoliation both on the surface and inside the pores, giving you a healthy, plump and glowing skin. Exfoliating is a process of removing dead skin cells from the surface of your skin by either using a chemical exfoliator or a granular substance or a physical exfoliating tool. So your skin naturally sheds dead skin cells every 30 days or so to make room for new cells, but with age this process slows down and sometimes the dead cells don't shed completely, so that can result in clogged pores, dry and flaky patches on your skin, but exfoliation can help prevent this. Now I know that most of you guys must be familiar with the difference between a chemical exfoliator and a physical exfoliator, but if you don't know, here it goes. Any exfoliating product or method that requires manual scrubbing or rubbing falls in the category of physical exfoliant. Chemical exfoliants are acids that react with your skin, removing build-up layers of dead cells and excess oil that can cause dull skin or clogged pores. The product that we have over here is a chemical exfoliant with 25% AHA, 5% PHA and 2% BHA. Before starting, I want to talk about a patch test, which is really necessary before applying this product all over your face. Chemical exfoliators are not something to be lenient about, especially when it has a high concentration of acids. You may get a chemical burn, irritation or intense redness. To avoid these reactions from happening, you need to perform a patch test. You have to apply a little bit of product on your jaw and neck for 10 minutes and wash it off and observe the area for the next 24 hours. If you see any redness, irritation or hyperpigmentation in that area of your face, you should not use this product. This product is also not suitable for teenagers, pregnant and breastfeeding women. You should consult your doctor before using this product. Also, I'm not a dermatologist, so all the information I share in this video is either from the Minimalist's official website or from Google. I am going to link the sources in the description box. This retails for Rs. 6.99 for 30 ml of product. It's fragrance-free, silicone-free, paraben-free and oil-free. The pH of this product lies between 3.4 to 3.8. Now next, let's get to the color, consistency and packaging of this product. You can see that it has got yellow color. Now what I found out from their website was that this yellow color is from turmeric. Actually, initially when they launched, it was just exactly the same as the Ordinary's color. It had that red color, but later they made it yellow. Now the consistency of this product, it's not very liquidy, it's not very thick. The product comes in a glass bottle. It's a frosted glass bottle and it has a pipette to discharge the product. Now the key ingredients in this are AHA, PHA and BHA. So first we are going to talk about that. Now AHA or alpha hydroxy acids are water soluble acids that are generally derived from sugary fruits. They help peel away the surface of your skin so that more evenly pigmented skin cells can generate in their place. So the AHAs that are here are glycolic acid, lactic acid and mandelic acid. Now glycolic acid actually has some antibacterial properties, so it's really good for you if you have acne. However, if you have skin of color, this is probably not the best option to go for. Glycolic acid is not a good option for you because it can probably burn your skin, as glycolic acid has very small molecules that can penetrate really deep into your skin, and if you leave it for even a minute more than what's required, it can probably burn your skin. The other day I saw Dr. Vanita Ratan talking about this, that how glycolic acid can actually burn your skin if your skin has more melanin, and this was kind of horrifying for me because since I've started exfoliating my skin, I've only used glycolic acid and nothing else. I even started with 5% glycolic acid, so I think as far as it's 7% glycolic acid, it's fine, but more than that, it can actually harm your skin probably, especially if it comes from a doctor. I think you should pay attention to this point and do a patch test before using this all over your face so that you do not burn your face. Next we have lactic acid, which can be really good for fine lines and wrinkles, and ultimately we have mandelic acid, which may improve texture and pores. We are going to talk about PHA in the end. So next we are going to talk about 2% BHA. Now BHAs are beta hydroxy acids and the these are oil soluble. Unlike AHAs, BHAs can go deep into the pores to remove dead skin cells and excess sebum. The BHA used in this product is salicylic acid. This is something that is mainly responsible for unclogging pores, and if you include it in your skincare routine for a longer period of time, it can also reduce whiteheads and blackheads. Ultimately, we are going to talk about the 5% PHA that this product has. PHAs are polyhydroxy acids. These are not only exfoliators, but they can also double up as a humectant. Also, because of its larger molecular size, it's very much safe to use and it has less chances of causing irritation. So I really liked that they also included 5% PHA in their formulation as well, because this penetrates the skin really slowly and hence it's less irritating for your skin. At most you have to use it once a week, although I'd recommend that you use it once every 15 days first and then get to once a week, and then probably if your skin can take it, you can do it twice a week, but I don't recommend twice a week. Once a week is enough. Now step 1 is to cleanse your skin with a cleanser. Now make sure that the cleanser of your choice has to be really simple. No vitamin C, no AHA, BHA, PHA or whatever. It has to be something that has a very simple formulation. So maybe something from Cetaphil or the brand called Simple. Massage the cleanser on your neck for about a minute or two and then wash it off. Make sure that you clean your face as well as your neck. Next, you're gonna pat it dry with a soft cloth. Now it's time to apply the product. A precaution that you need to take no matter what is to not drip the product directly from the dripper. It can damage your eyes if you are not careful. Also make sure that the pipette remains untouched just to maintain the hygiene. If you're using a strong product like this, you have to be very responsible while using it. Take some product on your hand and gently apply it on your face. Do not rub your face at all. It's not meant for the delicate under eye area, so avoid applying it in that area. Apply it in the target areas first, like your chin or jaw, where you have thick skin or maybe cell buildup, and then you can apply it to the rest of your face. After applying the product, you have to wait for 10 minutes, maximum 12, especially if you are using it for the first time. Then wash it off with lukewarm water. While washing your face, make sure that you close your eyes so that the product doesn't reach your eyes. I personally didn't experience any tingling sensation, not even a little, but on the package it is mentioned that you can experience a little bit of tingling sensation. After washing your face, you may want to use a moisturizer again if you have really dry skin. If your skin feels comfortable, you can leave it, but I generally use a moisturizer, and again it has to be a really simple moisturizer with a really simple formulation. No vitamin C, no retinol and all of that stuff. Make sure you avoid activities in the sun and makeup for the next 8 to 10 hours. Let your skin rest and apply a sunscreen when you wake up the next day. Also try using the product during the night time instead of the daytime. Also, while using this product, you have to make sure that you refrain from any kind of physical exfoliators, because it will be too much for your skin if you use chemical exfoliators and physical exfoliators all at once. It will be traumatic for your skin. Now let's get to what results you can expect from this product and what was my personal experience with this product. The first thing that I want to say is that you get an instant clear glow after using this product, and for me, sadly, that's it. It makes my skin clear, it makes my skin glowy and more soft, but the thing is that it's just that. And what I was expecting that it will lighten up my hyperpigmentation. I've used it about 5 times at least, and my hyperpigmentation, I don't think it works on that. Although the alpha arbutin, it did work on my hyperpigmentation and it was a really good product. So for this one, if you're thinking of buying this one, and if you have a skin of color, say if you have a medium skin tone or a dusky skin tone or a deeper skin tone, I'd say that you go with their 2% salicylic acid instead of this one, in case you really want to try a chemical exfoliator. Otherwise, I'd say that the finish that this gives is the same as the finish that I get from my Neutrogena Daily Exfoliating face wash. I think that was the name. I am gonna throw it on the screen. That's a physical exfoliator, and I know that this is something that can be really good for sensitive skin because there is no rubbing, there will be no chance of irritation, and also it's made up of aloe juice, and the formula is something that's made to be as less irritating as possible. But again, if you have a skin of color, as I said, it has a lot of AHA, and especially glycolic acid is the second ingredient on the list. It can probably burn your skin, so there I'd say that you definitely do a patch test before trying it all over your face, and that's why I'd recommend that you try the 2% salicylic acid instead of this one. Now, don't take me wrong, I like this product a lot. It does what it claims, but are the results worth it? I mean, I get the same results with my physical exfoliator, so I'll probably not buy this product again. I like it. I like how clear my skin feels. I like how soft it feels, but I don't think I am going to buy this product again. Plus, this has got a really strong formulation. I mean, there are a lot of acids, so you have to be really careful with this thing. You have to apply sunscreen. You have to take care of a lot of things while using this product. You have to be very much responsible while you use this product just because of the strong formulation it has. And that is all I want to say. Hope this review will be helpful for you guys, and if it was, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.